guys, my name is Achal Moon. Today I am going to say about my presentation, and my presentation topic is current trend. What is the current trend? Current trend means growth calculated in only accordance with changes in country, economic and fundamental data. Current trend is indicated low and declining credit rating surface poor financial health. So current trend in we will talk about four trends. So first trend is economic. First trend is economic. Second trend is fashion. Third trend is education, and fourth trend is marketing. So let's begin with first trend is economic. India's GDP is returned to pre-COVID by the of 2021 and 22, but some sectors are struggling in more than others. So the number of unemployed remain high, and private consumption is low. It will depend on expected economic recovery and factors. And second is fashion trend. Fashion trend signifies a specific form or expression that a population at specific time and place. Not defined by season when the collections released by the fashion industries. There is trend is considered more short-term form. Dreamlike gradients and lush fabrics such as satin, muslin, organza, and cotton rules the rules. Vintage embroideries and at the forefront of the latest fashion in trend in India at the moment. And third trend is education. Modern education is technology driven. Today's student take their mobile phones, laptops. Students are learning from internet with the help of mobile phone. The future education is on rise with the enhanced version of today's online courses. Machine learning is gaining momentum in the education sector. And fourth and last trend is marketing. Digital marketing is marketing done through the internet media. It can also be digital marketing, email marketing, etc. are used. Online transaction due to this trend of users toward the internet media. For example, bill payments, ticket booking, and mobile recharges, etc. Businesses are adopting digital marketing. If you look at the market stats, then about 80% of shoppers do online researches before buying someone products, and important to us in future. So thank you so much guys for listening to my today's presentation.